Hey, welcome. I'm really glad you're here today. Thank you. I'm happy to be here. So tell me something honestly. Do you ever feel like you want to improve your English, but you don't know where to start? Yes, all the time. I try to learn, but sometimes it feels confusing. Fast English is hard to understand, and I lose confidence. That's completely normal. You're not alone. Many learners feel the same way, and that's exactly why we're here today to make things simple, slow, and clear. I like that. Simple sounds good. Good. Let's keep it simple. Let's just talk slowly, naturally, like real life. Okay. First question. Why do you want to learn English? I want to feel confident. I want to speak without fear. I want to understand people, movies, conversations. That's a strong reason. Confidence is everything. And the good news is, you don't need perfect English to be confident. Really? Yes, you just need practice. A small daily practice. That sounds easier. It is easier, but many people think they need big changes. They think they need to study for hours every day. I used to think that too. But that's not true. Small actions, repeated every day, can change everything. So just a little every day. Exactly. Imagine this, just 15 minutes a day. Listening, speaking, repeating, slowly, calmly, no pressure. That feels possible. That's the key word, possible. If something feels possible, you will do it. And if you do it every day, you will improve. I like that idea. Let's talk about listening first. When you listen to slow English, your brain has time to understand. You don't feel stressed. You don't feel lost. Yes, fast English makes me nervous. Slow English builds confidence. You start recognizing words, then sentences, then meaning. And then speaking becomes easier? Exactly. Listening and speaking are connected. When you listen more, you speak better. So I should listen every day? Yes, even if it's just a few minutes. Listen while walking, relaxing, or sitting quietly. And what about speaking? Speaking is practice. You don't need a perfect partner. You can speak alone, repeat sentences, talk to yourself. Talk to myself. That feels strange. It feels strange at first, but it works. Say simple things. Today is a good day. I feel happy. I am learning English. That sounds easy. It is easy, and easy is good. Easy builds habits. What if I make mistakes? You will make mistakes. That's part of learning. Mistakes are not bad, they are helpful. How? They show you what to improve. Every mistake is a step forward. I never thought about it like that. Most people don't. They fear mistakes, but confident learners accept them. So confidence is more important than perfection. Yes, always. Confidence helps you speak. Perfection comes later. I understand. Now let's talk about daily habits. Do you have a daily routine? Not really. Sometimes I study, sometimes I don't. That's normal, but consistency is powerful. Even small daily habits can change your life. What kind of habits? Simple ones. Listen to English every day, speak a few sentences, learn a few words, repeat what you hear. That doesn't sound hard. It's not hard, but you need discipline. Discipline is difficult sometimes. True, but discipline doesn't mean being strict or stressed. It means showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. That makes sense. Think about it like this. You don't need motivation every day. You need a habit. So habits are stronger than motivation? Yes, motivation comes and goes. Habits stay. I like that. Let's do something simple right now. Repeat after me. Slowly. Okay? I am learning English. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. I am becoming more confident. I am becoming more confident. Good. How do you feel? Better. It feels nice. That's the power of simple practice. No pressure, just progress. I can do this every day. Exactly. Now let's imagine a real life situation. You meet someone new. Okay. They say, hi, how are you? I say, I'm good, thank you. And you? Perfect. Then they ask, what do you do? I say, I am learning English. I am improving my skills. That's great, simple and clear. I don't need difficult sentences. No, simple English is powerful. This feels more natural. That's the goal, natural communication. I want to speak like this in real life. And you will step by step. How long will it take? That depends on your consistency. If you practice daily, you will see improvement quickly. That motivates me. Good, but remember, don't rush. Enjoy the process. Enjoy learning? Yes, learning should feel good, not stressful. I like that idea. Let's talk about confidence again. Where do you think confidence comes from? Practice? Yes, practice and small success. Every time you understand something, every time